This video shows how to unpack the Prodigi oven. The oven we're using today is a Prodigi Pro 720G. Refer to the product's specification sheet for the oven's ship and net weights before lifting the oven. Before you begin, make sure you have an appropriate lifting device and enough personnel to safely move the weight of the oven. You will need appropriate personal protective equipment. You will also need various hand tools to cut and remove the packaging. To unpack the oven, do the following. Remove the box. Start by removing the staples fastening the top of the box. Save all packing materials for inspection by the carrier. Remove the top of the box. Examine the appliance for damage. If the appliance has been damaged, do not use the appliance until it has been inspected by an authorized service provider. Contact your carrier or Alto-Shaam customer service. Remove the staples fastening the box to the pallet. With assistance, remove the box from around the oven. Remove the shrink wrap. Cut the restraining straps fastening the oven to the pallet. See and review information sheets taped inside of the window for reference. Lift the oven off the pallet. Make sure you have enough clearance under the feet to remove the pallet. Remove the pallet and set it aside. Carefully set the oven down on the ground. Open the door and remove the packing materials. Remove the foam from the cavity and remove the probe from the foam block. Cut each of the zip ties fastening the racks inside the oven. Remove the protective film from the oven. The Prodigi Pro unpacking process is now complete. To view more installation videos, please visit our website.